Good afternoon, student. Our topic today is about intensive and extensive commercial agriculture. Our lesson objectives will be, by the end of the lesson, learners must be able to gather information for understanding intensive and commercial agriculture, which will be their knowledge. Number 2, evaluate which type of commercial agriculture is suitable for South African context, which will be the value to be taken into consideration when practicing intensive and extensive agriculture. Number 3, compare intensive and extensive commercial agriculture, which will be skills to be used. The content of the topic: intensive and extensive commercial agriculture. Intensive commercial agriculture is based on concentrated method. It is specifically for world market and economies. This method is used to increase overall yield by using high agricultural input and advanced techniques. The farmers are located closer to the market, or they are remotely located to reduce the transportation cost of products. The farmers use small land for cultivation because the farms are located closer to the city, which are densely populated. Products produced include vegetables, fruits, and dairy products, which are perishable, leading to the farmers to be located closer to the market. Farmers rely on machinery, fertilizers, and various plant breeds for greater production. Example will be of corn belt in USA and Western European livestock farms. Extensive farming, commercial agriculture, is based on farming on low quality land, and the land required is large. The farms are located far away from cities and market in low densely populated areas. The farm unit is cheap and large. The output can be sold in market and also used to feed livestock. For example, wheat farms and livestock ranching. The farms require minimum labor input because big machines are used for irrigation of crops. Example can be of Mediterranean basin, where the land is arable but they can grow grain to use it for grazing. Now we are looking at our lesson plan. Introduction: the learner's prior knowledge by asking them questions to stimulate their mind. The time allocated will be 10 minutes for the topic, content of economic geography for grade 12. Teacher's activity: the teacher will explain the concepts, intensive and extensive agriculture. The teacher will provide learners with cards in each group of 5. Learners use information on the photocopies given to them to tabulate differences between intensive and extensive commercial agriculture. The grade 12 textbook will be used, and the other sources in library, like library books and internet material. The teaching approach will be teacher and learner-centered approach, whereby the teacher will facilitate the lesson, and the learner will be partaking or will be active participant of the lesson. Lesson summary. The teacher will be asking learners to briefly give feedback on what they have learned from the topic that was presented. The reflection part, which will be 10 minutes, the teacher will see which learner experienced difficulty during the lesson and their level of knowledge in order to improve the next lesson. Assessment tool. A multiple choice question will be given to learners where they will be required to circle the alphabet with the correct answer, which will be the form of assessment that we will that the teacher will use. And as for the as for testing the learners, the teacher will use the memorandum to check the understanding of the learners and to grade them. Thank you.